Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the TZS First Austria mini oven with 2000 watts power, and you can buy it with 45 liter like here or 60 liter volume with interior lighting, convection function, rotisserie for 2 chickens, mini pizza oven. It's a removable crumb tray, so you have everything what a good oven need in one mini design oven here. The compact oven with a particle 60-minute timer and a capacity of 45 liters enables several dishes to be prepared at the same time on 4 shelf heights. And grill a delicious chicken on the included rotisserie, while roasted potatoes and vegetable roasted underneath, for example. And we have an adjustable up to 360 degrees with a classic rotary control. And optionally with top heat, bottom heat, or circulation heat. You can choose as you like. Equipped with interior light and a non-slip legs. 4 shelf heights, including wire shelf, baking tray, and removable and easy to clean crumb trays. Equipped with interior light and a non-slip legs. And 1 time of electric mini oven, including interior lights, baking tray, grate and crumble tray from TZS First Austria. We have here energy efficient cooking. The mini oven is many times more energy efficient as the big ones out there. Baking, grilling, roasting, toasting, everything works without much effort. We also save money compared to a normal oven. Because of its powerful performance, the oven does not need to be preheated. Thanks to the interior lighting and the large viewing window, we can easily monitor the cooking status. And temperature up to 230 degrees Celsius, infinitely adjustable temperature, is possible from 100 degrees Celsius to 230. Thermally insulated double glass door and 4 stainless steel heating elements are included. The suction cups ensures a secure hold. Thanks to the adjustable timer of up to 60 minutes, we never have to worry about our food is burning. Ideal for a warm lunch at work, for example. And we have a safety lock. The double glazed oven doors ensures that no heat can escape and the door does not get hot from the outside. The tilting door with the heat-insulated handle enables a quick and safe gripping. With the convection function, we can prepare 2 pizzas at the same time. So we have all the options we have with a built-in oven in this mini oven. That's cool. And shelf heights, our various insertion heights are available. The best dishes turn out great on the rotaries, grilled evenly and crispy. Leftovers collect on the mobile and easy to clean crumb tray on the bottom side. The scope of the delivery also included an enameled baking tray with a fat drainage channel and a grating with tongs. So you can see it's really easy to operate. In the upper knob, you can adjust what heat supply you need. The second knob is to make a more temperature setting. The third is where the heat comes from, up, down, all, center, and so on. And the bottom knob is to adjust the timer function. So it's really easy to use your TZS First Austria mini oven with 2000 watts to make delicious meals, like the big built-in ovens can do. Here it's a small device. You can get it on a desktop. You can get it on your camping table or where you like it. And the only thing you need is a power supply with standard socket, and then you can start to make delicious meals with the TZS First Austria mini oven. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.